Hi everyone, welcome to another session with Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make rasavangi. Rasavangi is a traditional recipe from Tamil Nadu. This recipe uses eggplants or bangan or katrika as we say in Tamil as the main ingredient. This is combined with tamarind and roasted spices. It's a heady combination and I'm sure you all are just going to enjoy watching this recipe. Heat some coconut oil in a pan. Add chana dal. Cook on a low flame. Add the urad dal. Keep stirring. Add dhania or coriander seeds. Add red chilies, lal mirch. Roast on a low flame. Add grated coconut and keep stirring until the grated coconut turns golden color. Now let the roasted ingredients cool. Now we are chopping the eggplants. Chop and put them in water as otherwise they'll turn black. Now heat coconut oil in a pan. Add in some turmeric powder or haldi. Now drain the water from the eggplants and add eggplants into the oil. Give it a mix. Stir for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add some water to cook the eggplants. When the water comes to a boil, add tamarind juice or imli ka pani. Add some salt. Now the ground ingredients have cooled. We have taken them in a mixer jar and blended, adding some water. Now let's add this ground mixture to our rasavangi. Mix well. Add some jaggery or good. Add boiled peanuts. Add the pressure cooked tur dal. Mix well and adjust the consistency of water as needed. Add some more salt. Now add in some more grated coconut. Mix well. Now let this simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. We have switched off the flame and covered the rasavangi. Now we are preparing for tempering. Heat some coconut oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Add urad dal, red chilies, hing or asafoetida powder, curry leaves or kadi patta. Add this tempering to the rasavangi. Now our rasvangi is ready. Wow, it smells so aromatic. Now let's transfer it to a serving bowl. Just look at that. The eggplants are well cooked, spiced properly. Just can't wait to eat it. We are just going to have it. We can have it with rice or upma or anything that you want. But today we are going to have it with coconut rice. We are posting the recipe here. See, that's the coconut rice. We are having rasvangi with it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe. If you did, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Do not
Bye.
forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.